week I visited Statue of Unity. Okay, let's enjoy the ride. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue. Yes, that's a pride for India, isn't it? Guys, and now I'm in the place which is the most awaited. I'm in Statue of Unity. And now I'm inside the museum. These are some glimpses that show us about how horrible, how disastrous and devastating the partition was between India and Pakistan. There were riots and everybody was moving from one side to another. And this gives us the information about the different birds and mammals found here. And now I'm making a pledge. You just need to fill in your personal details, select a pledge from some of the options, and there you go. This is the thing I like best about the Statue of Unity. And my pledge is to be sensitive towards animals and other living beings, to make my India be known for its compassion and humanity.
Start.
Statue of Unity. See how gigantic it is. It is so magnificent. Do you know how tall it is? It is 182 meters long. It is the tallest statue in the world. So many tourists come from all over the world. The Statue of Unity is constructed to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, yes, the Iron Man of India, because he united all the princely states. And now we will enjoy the laser show of the Statue of Unity. Oh my god, what a beauty it was! Such a dandy. Okay, let's enjoy it. And now we will explore Unity Glow Garden. Yes, let's explore it. Good morning guys, today is day 2 and today we will explore Arogyavan Forest Department, Gujarat. Come along with me. If you are a plant lover and you love nature, this place is heaven for you. You should really visit this place. have completed the tour. Hello everyone, I'm going to the Valley of Flowers and see how beautiful the plants are. Now we will do jungle safari. Yes. And this is the entrance of the jungle safari. See, a lion so majestic. And there are some birds. Wow, it's beauty, isn't it? Oh my god, the snake. Let's explore. We are riding to a place where kids will be in 7th heaven. We are riding to Children's Nutritional Park. Wow! And here comes a train. It seems as if I'm going to Hogwarts. I'm Hermione.
मेरा नाम किसान कुमार आओ बच्चों मेरे द्वार फल सकम गृहम घूमो जानो कैसे उगता सब आहार जो भी सब्जी तुमको भाती वो मेरे खेतों से आती मीठे फल जो मैं उगाता वो माँ लेके तुम्हें खिलाती चाहे हो वो दाल चावल या फिर हो रोटी का गेहूं चना राजमा ज्वार बाजरा.
And now we are receiving information that what types of food we should eat in every season. Oh, is Rushvi feeding a cow? And what am I doing? Am I making curd? Yeah, this is the thing about nutrition park I like the most. That you can do the practicals and play games and learn the concepts. And now we are going to go in the tunnel. See how beautiful it is. Yeah, the most beautiful tunnel ever I have seen. And this is the game zone. And now it's time to say goodbye. We depart with a lot of memories. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.